So I'm Jules, I'm 19 and I'm the founder of Stream State AI, and today I'm going to be running you through how I'm automating my business step by step using Claude Code. So the first agent that I've built for my business, and I'm going to be documenting this live, so I haven't done any more than this. I've built an agent that is a YouTube niche analysis agent. So this agent effectively scrape YouTube, it will find out best videos in this niche for this month, basically so I can see what's performing the best, whether it be competition around me and other people who are making content. So it's basically going to scrape the internet, scrape YouTube specifically, and find out all the keywords that are doing well, the most liked videos, the most viral videos, and then it's basically going to deliver you a whole PowerPoint that arrives every Monday morning at around 8 a.m. telling you basically for that week what's been doing the best. So I'm going to show you what I've done. If you haven't set this up so far, what you're going to want to do is go download VS Code. That's my choice of software for this. I'm using VS Code. It's the safest, or it's at least one of the safest, so that's what I've gone with. Then going to want to make a Claude account, make an Anthropic account, start your Claude subscription. That's what I've done. Also, you're going to want to add some credits into your Anthropic account as well. The mistake I made was thinking that if you pay for Claude Code Pro, you also get the Anthropic API tokens as well, when you don't. So don't make that mistake. When I first started doing this, I kept hitting wall after wall, but it was because of that token error. So get that sorted and you'll be good with that. So I'm going to start this agent and I'm going to show you basically what it does. So as you can see here, what I've found is every time I've gone into Claude Code, I've had to start this again. I don't know if this is something that I need to pick up from. Like I said, I'm not perfect at this. I'm just documenting it as I go and as I learn. So what I've noticed is every time I've been on this, I've had to open this. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to open it. And then as you can see here now, all my folders on the left side show up. So yeah, that's what I've found. That seems to work. So come to your Claude Code agent. I'm just going to say, run my weekly analysis agent and email me the results via Gmail. So I'm going to send that off now. And as you can see, one of the really cool things about Claude Code is that you can see everything it's doing as it's doing it. So you can effectively, if you're a beginner like this to I am, you can read this and eventually understand exactly what it's doing by the second. So as you can now see, pipeline completed in 62.5 seconds. So it's also quick as well. And it's giving me the top 20 scored and ranked, AI headline, AI video goes local and real time as hallucination fears fade. It's giving you details on what videos are done well. It's showing there that it's done its work now via Google Sheets and it's sent it to me on Google Slides. And as you can see, it's emailed me to my business email. So now as you can see, I've just came to my emails and I've received an email via Claude Code. So here, as you can see, we've had the email. It says AI creativity pulse and here. And here you have like a little bit of an article, and then at the bottom you get view full report. So we're going to press that. And as you can see here, you've got a full, how many slides? 8 slides of basically stats. So we'll run through it. So here you've got the best title of the week, it looks like, is AI video goes local and real time as hallucination fears fade. Then you've got a report. You rapid fire news and review content is generating outside the velocity. As my niche is AI creativity and AI generation, you can see here that I've just got information tailored to my niche, which is obviously what I want here. So as we go through the slides there, you've got the top trending videos for the week, got the patterns, tools in the spotlight. You've got obviously Nano Banana 2, which is new, the YouTube channels that have done the best this week, and which ones are trending the most. Fastest rising videos, gaps and opportunities. This is probably the most useful part, because at the end of the day, you can have all the stats you want, but you want to know where you can move. You want to know how you can use this information that's been provided by Claude Code in order to benefit you as either a personal brand or as a company. Basically saying here that despite AI video generation being a top velocity topic, there's no hands-on creative workflow tutorial. So that's basically saying that, you know, AI creativity, AI videos are really booming at the minute. They're really doing well. Everyone's excited about them, but there's no real creativity workflow. So if I wanted to make a video on that, that's what I can go ahead and do based off the research that this agent's done. So that's just a short video on the first agent I've built using Claude Code. Yeah, really simple, really easy. I'm definitely going to be trying to automate more of my business with this. I'm going to see how far I can push it, how many processes I can automate basically. Because at the end of the day, this is where the future is going. This is where This is where the money's gonna go. I think the repetitive tasks that you do as a business now in a year's time will be gone. So I think it's good to get into this stuff early. Like I said, I'm just a beginner to this stuff. I'm definitely not an expert, but I will be putting a lot of time into it and seeing what process I can automate as a business. So if you like this style of content, if you want to follow me, document my journey to build my AI creative company, then yeah, interact with the video, okay?